Hello guys, welcome to the world, and today I will talk about levels and price action. How price action and levels are important in trading, and these are the key, and then you can unlock everything. So let's get to the charts. So right now I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame, and if you have watched my previous two videos, I've told you about the some important levels and how a trading opportunity is available for intraday and scalpers. So today I will give you some quick levels of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here are they. As we can see, first of all, this purple box right here, very important zone for the Bitcoin. Right now it is acting as a support. We can clearly see how the price first. Wait a minute. So we can clearly see how the price first trying to break down this level, but then when it break this zone to the upside, it gave a retest, and anyone who entered here with a target of here and a stop loss of somewhere here can make easy money. That's how trading is done on levels. Levels are only resistance, support. To trade on them, price comes to the support, you see a confirmation, and then to the upside, and same with resistance also whenever there is a breakout or a breakdown of a level, I only take a trade on a retest or some kind of a confirmation, like a heavy big red volume candle breaks, then there are chances of continuation to the downside. So right now this important zone is from 26,190 to 25,337 to be precise and accurate. And also same here, also this resistance right here, this purple zone is a very important zone. And sorry for the disturbance in the background, because I record most of my videos outside of my home only. So this yellow zone and this purple zone, both are very important zone, and one major trade that I will take will be either the price breaks this zone to the upside or breaks this zone to the downside. Then there will be a very good opportunity to take a trade. And if you want to take a trade quickly, like intraday trading or scalping, then you can do that easily by watching my previous video. I will link it in the description and in the comment box also, and how to trade that move also. Moving to Ethereum. So right now we are on the Ethereum's chart, and we can clearly see this yellow zone right here, very important zone, and how the price reacted multiple times. It did a breakdown, but as I told you that it has to do a retest. Here no retest, here it did a retest also, but as we can clearly see, this red candle, if this green candle, this one also became red and breaks this minor support, then the price would definitely fall down, but it did a fake out and reversed back up and went all the way up to here, this parallel channel resistance. Exactly, this is the power of price action. See this parallel channel right here for Ethereum. Now let me give you some levels. So this level ranges between 1621 and 1604, and if the price continues to fall down, then it can come to the first target at 1462 to 1425, and the second target also, if the price breaks this target with some consolidation and then heavy breakdown, then second target is at 1161 to 1125. So yeah, this is it. And there will be people in the comments who will say that what about the upper targets. So right now the market is sideways, Bitcoin, Ethereum both, and the price is not going anywhere. But if I see any confirmation of the price going upside, I will definitely update you guys with those levels also to the upside. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you now know the importance of levels and price action in the trading and how to trade accordingly with the help of them. So yeah, this is it for today's video. And if you want to trade crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the top of the description. Bybit is a crypto exchange where you can trade spot, futures, derivatives, anything you want. You can create an account for free and can get $30,000 gift. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. See you guys next time.